In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can delete Facebook page permanently. So let's dive right in. So from your home page, you have to open Facebook and click on this profile in order to open your menu. Then from this menu, you have to switch into your Facebook page in order to delete your Facebook page permanently. So to switch it, click on this arrow and it will open up all of your pages, where simply select it and it will start switching into your Facebook page. Now to delete this permanently, click on this profile in order to open menu and then scroll it down. Here you'll find this settings and privacy. Click on that and open settings from here. Scroll it down. In your information tab, you'll find here this access and control. Click here and select deactivation and deletion. Here it will show you these two options to deactivate page or delete page. Select this second one of delete page permanently. Click continue and here you can give reason that why you are deleting this page, and then click on this continue, again continue, and at last it will give you these sum of options before you delete. You can save post in your archive, or you can download your information or transfer your information if you want. Scroll it down, click continue. Now after writing a Facebook profile password, you will be able to confirm this page deletion permanently. Click continue again and select here delete page, and that's it. So that's how you can delete Facebook page permanently in just few easy steps.